Hey there, sports card fans. So I've got, actually I've got 4 of these Bowman Chrome Mega Box 2020 baseball. Haven't been able to find anything at stores. Nothing at Walmart. Nothing at Target. It's just like, so unfortunately I had to pay like scalper prices on eBay for them. But I got some because I hadn't gotten hardly any 2020 baseball cards for a variety of reasons. I think I did do about that hanger box of Topps update I got. Other than that, I hadn't gotten anything. I do have a box of 2020 Bowman's Best that I got for Christmas, so I'll be opening up that at some point. But I bought these as a birthday present to myself, and I had to do those other birthday card stuffs first, so I did them. So I figured do one of these now. And what's that? There's something there. Sorry for the noise. They're doing construction outside my place. Any hoodle doodle, let's get on with it. You know what, actually, I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna pee, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alright, hey, I'm back. I peed, my dog peed, and I brushed my teeth, so lots of stuff done. Okay, here we go. Opening the box now. So I think there are five card packs, plus 2 exclusive 5-card Chrome Mega Packs. So hopefully we get something good. Alright, and I love how Topps / Bowman puts the odds on the back of their boxes and packs. It's one of my beefs with Panini. Okay. So here we are. 5 regular Chrome Bowman Chrome packs, and then 2 of the, what are they called? Mega Box Chrome packs. Guess we'll leave them for last. Okay, here we go. First, regular pack. Justin Verlander. Ooh, I've got a pretty good one. Oh boy, in the first pack, not Verlander. I guess I'll wait to show you, because I got a Gavin rookie! Although I haven't been as in on the sports world recently. Gavin Lux, I remember being a big name. Okay, Seth Brown, rookie. Isan Diaz, rookie. And Kettle Marte. Let me just check on the eBay to see about that. Gavin Lux. Okay, yeah, seems to be a pretty decent card, worth a couple of bucks. I think good future potential on him. So let's get to the next pack. All right, Blake Snell, Anthony Rendon, Whit Merrifield, Yusei Kikuchi, and Francisco Lindor. So no rookies in that pack, and I don't think Bowman Chrome has variations, but maybe I'm wrong. I'd have to check that. Pack number 3. Oops. Okay, we've got Dylan Cease, rookie. We've got Alex Young, rookie. Tim Anderson, Jorge Alfaro, and Fernando Tatis Jr. Okay, pack number 4. Trent Grisham, rookie. Aaron Savale, rookie. Savale, maybe. Adrian Morjan, or maybe Morion. Not really sure how to pronounce that. Someone, rookie, if someone can tell me, that would be Gurific. JD Martinez and Freddie Freeman to round out the pack. Last regular pack. So no refractors yet. Let me see what the odds are on them. Okay. Purple is 1 in 12. They're all serial numbered, so not too. Easiest ones are purple, and they're 1 in 12 packs. So, oh yay, Mike Trout. Okay. Joey Votto, Salvador Perez, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Paul Goldschmidt, and Mike Trout. Okay, let me check the backs of these. Just, like I said, I don't think there's any variations, but okay, that's good. That's good. Megabox Chrome Pack number 1. Let's see what's in these. Ooh, they're all refractory. Okay, so we've got Francisco. Well, I'll show you the design. If you can see that background. Francisco Alvarez, Adonis Medina, Mackenzie Gore, Jared Kalenic. Never heard of any of these people. I'm assuming they're probably prospects. It says BCP, so yeah, that probably means Bowman Chrome Prospect. Those. And then there's an insert in here, Dawn of Glory, Casey Mize. And it also has the kind of refractory background. Okay. Second Megabox pack. Last pack of the box. Then we'll do a little recap. Okay. We've got a green parallel. Let's see what the green ones are. 1 in 29. Hold on. Wait, I don't know if the odds are different for these. Yeah, so it's 1 in 29 of these mega box packs, not 1 in 29 of the regular packs. Okay, so Sean, and I don't know how to pronounce this guy's last name, Hjelle. Come on, stupid camera, focus. There we go. Shane Baz, Seth Corey, and Sixto Sanchez. And then the green parallel, green refractor, I guess you call it, Dane Dunning, pitcher for the White Sox. And if you can see, it's numbered 82 of 99. Pretty cool. Okay, so recapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rookies, including Gavin Lux. 1 parallel, that green refractor numbered to 99. 1, insert. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9 if you include the parallel prospect cards, and then this stack of base stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.